Hi, this video is recorded on May 19th, 2014. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about my skills, responsibilities, and my recent projects. So in this, um, let me start from my roles and responsibilities. My roles and responsibilities. Um, I'm a ETL tester. So as a ETL tester, my roles and responsibilities are like, for example, writing a test case, executing a test case, coordinating with other teams. So to start with, I use different tools for writing a test case. I use HP ALM, Application Lifecycle Management. In ALM, I wrote the test cases in test plan and pulled out those test cases into test lab, executed those test cases, and if required, communicated with these team leads, tech leads, or development, so that to make sure that is as per the requirement. If it is not, then I opened a defect in quality center, which sometimes is also called as ticket, and assigned to the concerned developer. So and coming, this is like as a using the tool as a HP ALM. So coming to the types of testing. So I've done um, front end testing, like functional testing, non-functional testing, and also touch some areas of performance testing. And coming to the back end testing, I use SQL queries. I used SQL Developer or Toad, and wrote the SQL queries and executed those SQL queries. So at the end of the day, I need to compare the records that is in the source table with the target table. So we take as source is as standard, and we take target and validate against the source. So SQL queries, and again to validate the files. So to validate the files, I used so sometimes the files are in the Unix server. So in that case, those files should be validated in, it should be compared with the two files. So I also used Unix commands to compare the two files. So for example, to comparing, sometimes you also need to see the file. So there are advanced commands such as VEditor, Emacs, etc. So in the Unix now, and also when the data, as an ETL tester, we have to make sure that the data is loaded into the database appropriately as per the requirement. So in some cases we also need to run the jobs. So as a to run the jobs, there is a job scheduling tool. What I use is like AutoSys. So in that AutoSys, there are the commands. So in the AutoSys there are like two types, command line and as well as the graphical user interface. So I used command line more, and in the command line, I use different AutoSys jobs to make sure to run the jobs. So I mean, this is like the my testing. Like further going, I mean, I would add more videos